Hi everyone, today we will be discussing how to write an effective job description. We all know that a job description is a crucial document that outlines the duties and responsibilities of a particular job. It provides clarity on what is expected from the employee and help attract the right candidates to apply for the position. In this video, we will be discussing the essential components of a job description with the help of a sample job description of an office manager that I have prepared for you guys. As you can see on your screen, this sample job description helps you in understanding each part of a job description very easily, as well as it also helps you in getting an idea about how in real a perfect job description look likes. I will make sure that I will explain you guys each part with the help of an example. So please watch this video till the end as all parts are equally very important, okay? So every job description, it starts with the job title and it should be the first thing the applicant sees when viewing the job posting, okay? The job title should be clear, concise and accurate. Like for example, in our case, it is for an office manager. In other case, it could be about marketing manager, software developer, human resource coordinator, etc., and so on. Maybe you are looking to find a job description of your desired field. So don't worry, I have created sample job description of more than 400 job description on this channel Knowledge Topper. If you want to check out, you can always visit my channel. The link is in the description of this video. Back to our topic. The second component or a part of a job description is a job summary. It is a brief summary of the overall job description, which is a necessary part of every job description. Firstly, it includes the job title and the main objective of the position. Job summary section should not be longer than 8 to 10 sentences and should capture the most critical aspects of the job, like very important duties and responsibilities, very important skills, etc. Like if we talk about the job summary of an office manager job, as you can see here, it is a job title, okay? Office manager to be responsible for the general operation of our office. It is the main objective of our job, okay? Then you will include all the very important duties and responsibilities, as well as the requirement as well, the most important requirement as well, okay, like here, okay? After the job summary section, we have the duties and responsibilities section that should describe all the important duties and responsibilities of the job in detail. It should provide the applicant with a clear understanding of the day-to-day task that they will be expected to perform, okay? Like for example, for a job of an office manager, if we talk about the duties and responsibilities, overseeing general office operation, greeting visitors, answering a high volume of incoming phone calls and delivering world-class service to our customers, coordinating appointments and meeting and managing staff calendars and schedules. So you have to write all the important detailed duties and responsibilities in this particular section, okay? After the duties and responsibilities section, we have the requirement or you can say qualification section. This section outlines the necessary qualifications, skills and experience required for the position. Like for a job of an office manager, you have to write the requirements like that. Firstly, you have to write the degree requirement, then experience requirement, then you should have to add the important skills, okay? Like excellent computer skills, including a high degree of proficiency in Microsoft Word, Excel, Outlook, and PowerPoint. So you can add all the important requirements as per your desired job, okay? Some jobs may require physical demands such as lifting, standing for long periods, or working in outdoor environments. So it is essential to include any physical demands in the job description to ensure that the applicant is aware of what is expected of them. Like if we talk about a job of a construction worker, all the physical skills should be added. Like for example, this position requires standing for long periods and lifting up heavy equipment. So you have to write all these, requirements as per your desired job, okay? After the qualification and requirement section, we have the salary and bonuses section. Actually, some employers prefer not to disclose salary and benefits information upfront. It can be beneficial to include it in the job description. Basically, this information can help attract candidates who are the right fit for the position and your organization. Like for example, like you can add like salary range for this position is 60,000 to 80,000 annually, depending on experience, okay? So since this is just a sample, so I didn't include that, okay? And at the end, our job description ends with a call to action paragraph that states how a particular potential candidate can apply for a particular job, or in easy words, you can say that how they approach to an HR department to get more information about this particular job, okay? So basically a medium of contact is written in this section by a company. And finally, our job description is ended here. I hope you liked today's video on how you can write a perfect job description. If you like this video, thumbs up. Do appreciate our hard work in creating this particular video for you by subscribing our channel Knowledge Topper, as well as like our Facebook page, and do join our Facebook group as well, where you find a lot of good material not just related to these topics but from many other career oriented videos as well. So this is it for this video. Thank you so much everyone. It's time to say bye bye.